Tonight by Jackie Paho Ortiga cover. Tagalog version? Try. Pa-like, pa-share, pa-subscribe. Mahal ko, huwag nang lumuha pang ngayon. Pagkat ito masakit rin sa aking loob. Ang pag-ibig hindi kailanman magbabago. But I'm sorry, I can't be with you tonight. Do I want to hold you in my arms tonight? I could take the chance, 'cause it won't be right. Baby, will if we meet again some other time? 'Cause tonight I'll share my love with you. Sana'y maunawaan mo ang paglayo. Mahal kita, ngunit paano mawawala? Ang nakaraan, pag nagbago na ng panahon, kung maaari lang, di na kita iiwan pa. Can't Be With You Tonight, Tagalog version by Jackie Paho Ortiga cover. Pa-like, pa-share, pa-subscribe to Genesis 20. Don't forget to click the bell button. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. It could be in two places at the same time. Believe me, I would share my life with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Kung maaari lang, di na kita iiwan pa. Thank you for what? Maaniwala ka, di na kita iiwan pa. Can't Be With You Tonight, Tagalog version by Ortiga. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe to Tani. Don't forget the click bell button. Maganda siya guys. May Tagalog version siya. Bye-bye.